Refrigeration is something that we encounter every day. One very familiar use is keeping food from spoiling. And how is your home cooled? Houses built today usually have some type of refrigeration system to cool the air. But as you may know, refrigeration is not confined to the home. Many industries require refrigeration to manufacture their products, as well as the control of temperature in their buildings. Refrigeration has many applications. When refrigeration is used as part of an air conditioning system, it cools the air. But air conditioning involves many other processes, such as circulating, filtering, even heating air. In this program, we're going to concentrate on refrigeration as it applies to air conditioning or to any other process. Refrigeration has an important place in industry. There are applications everywhere. With so many refrigeration systems in use, there is always a need for service. Even a properly operating system requires periodic maintenance. But who services refrigeration systems? You, the technician. The purpose of this program and the ones that follow is to help you understand the principles of refrigeration and how to properly maintain refrigeration systems. If you really think about it, refrigeration systems can be absolutely essential to the operation of a facility. Many processes must be maintained at very specific temperatures for various phases of production. And we all know how important computers are today. Refrigeration systems help to prolong the life of computers by precisely maintaining proper temperatures in computer facilities. I'm sure if you look around your facility, you can count many more uses for refrigeration systems. And those systems have to be maintained properly by you. In order to do the job well, you'll have to understand the principles of refrigeration. You'll have to perform routine and preventive maintenance. You'll have to troubleshoot and correct mechanical problems in the system. And you'll have to be able to troubleshoot and correct electrical problems. Those are the subjects that this series of programs will cover. Now that you know the areas we'll be covering, let's get started with our discussion of the principles of refrigeration. Understanding the principles of refrigeration is a good start toward learning how to maintain refrigeration systems. A good place to start examining refrigeration is with the term itself. What exactly is refrigeration? You know that it has something to do with cooling, but that's pretty general. Let's talk about it. Think of refrigeration as the process of absorbing heat and then rejecting the heat elsewhere. That's exactly what a refrigeration system does. Every refrigeration system absorbs heat, carries the heat to another place, and rejects it. Take your refrigerator as an example. The requirement is to keep the food cold. Now, how is this done? The heat in the food is removed by the refrigeration system. Then it's carried through the refrigeration system. Finally, this heat is released outside by the system, and the result, as you know, is cold food, provided the refrigeration system is kept in good operating condition. So, refrigeration is basically the process of heat absorption and heat rejection. The maintenance jobs and troubleshooting jobs we'll be seeing throughout this series of programs will deal specifically with the equipment used to absorb heat, carry heat, and reject heat. The first step in learning how to perform these jobs is to have a good understanding of how a refrigeration system works. And we will be using this refrigeration system to demonstrate these principles. Before we go on, read your text and clear up any questions.